In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock your financial data in Xero by removing the lock dates. Whether you're troubleshooting an accounting issue or simply making updates, unlocking the transaction dates can be a crucial step. Let's ensure you have full access to your Xero records so you can make those necessary adjustments smoothly. First things first, we need to get into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero website and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the main dashboard. This is your home base in Xero, where you can access all of your accounting tools and resources. Now, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. Here, you'll see the accounting menu prominently situated. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this list, you're going to select Advanced. Advanced is the section you dive into when you need to tweak the more intricate settings of your account, giving you deeper control over its functionalities. Once you've entered the Advanced section, look for an option labeled Financial Settings. Give that a click. This is where you can manage crucial settings related to your financial information and reporting. It's worth noting that while these settings are fairly straightforward, they hold significant power over how your data is managed and reported. So careful navigation here is key. As you navigate through the Financial Settings page, you'll want to scroll down. Keep going until you spot the section titled Lock Dates. Lock dates are a powerful tool in Xero that prevents inadvertent changes to your transactions and reports after they've been reconciled or filed. However, there are times when you might need to unlock them to make adjustments or corrections. In the Lock Dates section, you will see an input field showing the current lock date. To remove the lock and open up your transaction history, simply delete the date that is currently displayed in this field. This action will effectively remove any restrictions on your financial data, allowing you to make necessary adjustments or corrections. Finally, to save the changes and ensure that your lock dates are successfully removed, locate and click on the Save button. This step is crucial. Without clicking Save, any changes you've made will not be applied, and the lock date will remain. And there you have it. You've successfully unlocked the financial dates in Xero, allowing for full access to your historical transaction data. Whether you're correcting past errors or making updates, having this unlocked will facilitate a smoother and more flexible workflow. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. So make sure to relock your dates once your updates are complete to maintain the integrity of your financial data. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.